Before we begin the design demo, let's review a few of the most useful tools and features here on the design page. On the left-hand side of the page, you'll find your basic design tools. When you place your cursor over each of the tools, a label will pop up to tell you what each tool is for. Of particular interest is this button, which allows you to select either landscape or portrait from the orientation of the design. If the product you are designing has a printable front side and a printable back side, you can flip from front to back using the tabs located here above the design page on the left-hand side. There are some important tools located here at the top of the page, which you can turn on and off. First is a grid that is superimposed over the design template. This can help you line up different design elements. Next is the margin, which turns the design template on and off. Next is the layer menu, which allows you to manage the various design elements in your design. And last but not least, if you choose to drag guidelines onto your design page, you can use this checkbox to turn your guidelines on and off. At any point during the design process, you can preview a PDF proof of your design. To do so, simply click on the Preview tab at the top of the page, and you should be allowed to either view the PDF on screen or save it to your computer for viewing. When viewing the PDF, you will notice that the word proof is visible in the layout, but don't worry, it won't be visible in the finished printed product. Finally, the Save and Continue button up at the top right-hand corner of the screen allows you to begin the procedure for saving your design into your account. This is a three-step process. Step 1. When you click on the Save and Continue button, you are prompted to name the design you are creating. After clicking OK, you will be forwarded to another page on the website, but your design has not been saved yet. Step 2. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Agree to the Terms of Use checkbox. Step 3. Click on the Save, Design, and Continue button, and your design will now be saved in your account. Let's start the design by selecting a background color. Now I'm going to draw a circle and enlarge it to suit the particular design idea I have for this business card. Within the Shape Element menu, I can increase the width of the circle stroke and change the color. Now I'll add a piece of clip art that I found in the image gallery. Select a theme from the gallery menu and then click on the image of choice, and it will automatically be added to the design. I'm going to adjust the size of the image to make it suit the space I've created in the design. Now to add a few blocks of text. I'll change the color, the font, and the size, and then update the wording itself by typing in the window at the top of the text element menu. As you can see, formatting text is done in much the same way as formatting text in a Word document or even an email. You just need to make a visually balanced design where everything is spaced evenly and lines up nicely. Now I'm going to click on the rulers at the left edge of the design and drag a vertical guideline into the design page. I'll use this as a visual reference to line up the 4 separate blocks of text. The front side of the card is now complete, so let's move on to the back side of the card. Again, let's start by adding a background color. Using the copy and paste tools, I'm going to copy the large circle from the front of the design and paste it into the back of the design. You'll notice that it automatically gets placed in the same position. Now, back to the image gallery to add another graphic. This time it's a QR code that I created previously and saved into my design portfolio. Again, just click the image and it'll be added to the design automatically. You'll notice that when you add elements to your design, they show up in the layer menu. When you're working with text, shapes, and images, you can use the Align buttons, which automatically position the element you're working with within the template. This is especially handy for centering vertically or horizontally within the design page. Now I'm just going to add one more block of text and then go through the 3-step save process to save the design into my account.